How to find the Shopee account number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find a Shopee account number. If you are using the Shopee mobile app, go to Me and you can find your Shopee username at the top banner. If you're using the Shopee web page, log in and you can find your Shopee username at the top right corner. Using the Shopee app, select the Me tab. Next, tap the gear icon to access the account settings. Now select My Profile and copy your username. Shopee does not provide users with a direct account number like a bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.